So just real quick, wanted to make an instructional video for the Grand Design Imagine that we have here. This is the control panel, and here you find your ceiling lights, your exterior lights, the water pump, which you need to run when you are running without power. So that's what pumps the water into the lines. Also, if you're not plugged into shore power, you use the gas water heater. See, it says water heater. That's gas, that's electric. So when you're plugged into power, you'll use electric. When you're not, you'll use the gas. And then here are the indicator lights for all of your tanks. I'm currently filling the freshwater tank, so it is 3/4 full, almost full. Black is empty, gray is empty, gray is empty. And then this switch right here brings the slide in, puts the slide out, puts the awning out, brings the awning in. Super simple, super easy, but always good to know. And this is going to be an easy video for you to refer back to in case you forget.